As you may know, I'm the chairman of the Pebble Beach Concours, which has been going on now for almost 75 years. So to see a new event at the very beginning is so exciting because you're making history with your own decisions about this Oberoi Concours. The Pebble Beach Concours started in 1950, so I was not the founder. I was sort of taking care of a garden that was already grown. So this is exciting to see the very birth of an event.
Many of these cars are outstandingly beautiful and outstandingly historically important all over the world. So it's not just the cars, but the environment and this hotel. It's like a dream-like situation.
It's really fascinating to be in such a surrounding and having the privilege to do the first Concours of Elegance Oberoi. I must say, putting all these cars together, all these motorcycles, having the view on the Palace of the King, I think is just a privilege.
I wanted to do a show that was about good living, sophistication, craftsmanship, and good quality, because that is what the concourse is all about.
I think the Oberoi family are very good fit to take an event like this forwards because they know what it takes to look after people and make sure they have a good time and make sure they want to come back. This is an event about people, about history, and that's what Oberoi is. I think they're the right people.
Best of Show Motorcycle. Congratulations, madam.
In order to win Best of Show, the car has to win its class. And you can see that. Congratulations. It's a stunning car.
I really have to thank each and every participant for their efforts to bring their beautiful cars and beautiful motorcycles to the Oberoi with us over this weekend. I raise my glass, thank you, and to many more shows, the Oberoi Concours.